This is our rat Gretl. She didn't do much, but we did learn some psych terms. Cognitive map is a mental picture of an environment, in this case the maze. Gretl can picture the maze and which way she should turn. Positive reinforcement is when a positive stimulus is added to increase a behavior. Every time Gretl goes through the maze, we reward her with a yummy snack. The thing that we are born to automatically respond to, the thing that elicits an automatic reflex or emotion, and is not taught or learned, is the unconditioned stimulus. The water acts as the unconditioned stimulus because Gretl already knows how to drink. We did not have to teach her. Operant conditioning is learning new voluntary behaviors through consequence. Gretl learned to voluntarily jump over the hurdles in order to receive a reward. When there is no consequence, the behavior will stop being voluntary. Gretl has not been rewarded, so her behavior of jumping over the hurdles has stopped. This is an example of operant extinction. Spontaneous recovery is when the behavior returns when the consequences return. Gretl jumps the hurdles once again when the food is returned. The operant chamber is where the rat learns a new voluntary behavior through consequences. The rat chooses to press the bar to get a sugar pellet. The fixed ratio is a set number of actions before getting a reward. Gretl has to hit the bar one time before she receives a sugar pellet. Fixed interval is a set amount of time before giving an award. Gretl gets fed no matter what after she hits the bar, every time. We could have set the operant chamber to a variable ratio, which means Gretl would have to perform an unknown random number of actions before getting the award. Chaining is linking already learned behaviors together. Gretl combines tricks she has learned to finish the obstacle course. Go Gretl! Trace conditioning is when the neutral stimulus is presented and disappears before the unconditioned stimulus. The clicker is presented and disappears before Gretl is given the treat. A primary reinforcer is a reward Gretl is born to love. Food acts as her primary reinforcer. A secondary reinforcer is a reward that Gretl is conditioned to enjoy. The wheel is something she was not born to love, but she loves it as a reward regardless. Shaping is successive approximations where the rat is rewarded step by step. Here we reward Gretl step by step until she can successfully complete the basketball hoop trick. Now that Gretl is done with PSYCH, she's on to bigger and better things. Her career in Hollywood includes photo shoots and roles in Indiana Jones and The Last Crusade and Ratatouille.